Hi guys, Roshni and I are back with another hairstyle tutorial, and today I'll be demonstrating the Waterfall Snake Braid.
Don't worry guys, it only sounds complicated but it's really simple to try. It also goes by the name of Feather Waterfall Braid, but we prefer to call it the Waterfall Snake Braid.
And that is because the entire process includes making a waterfall braid that ends up looking like a snake. So without any more talking, let's get started. So I'm going to give this hairstyle a little twist. I'm going to start making a Dutch braid on this side and then continue with the waterfall braid. So making a Dutch braid is just the same as making a French braid. All that you have to do is put your sections underneath your middle section. That is the only difference, and just keep doing it till you reach the back of your ear. Now we've reached the back of her ear, and from here we're going to start making a regular braid and then continue with the waterfall braid. Now to make a waterfall braid, all that you have to do is make a regular braid and then keep adding sections from the rest of your hair. So add it to the middle strand like this, and then overlap it with the strand on the right and join it with the strand on the left. So this way you will be left with two strands. All that you have to do is keep adding one strand from the rest of your hair and just reach till the extreme left. So now we've reached the extreme left. All that you have to do is make the same braid again on this side. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful.
Do let us know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.
Bye.